Discover a world of innovation where smart design meets everyday convenience in the coolest ways possible. These cutting-edge Amazon gadgets are built to simplify tasks, boost comfort, and add a touch of futuristic flair to your lifestyle. Get ready to explore tech that doesn't just look cool, but actually makes life better. The Revo Smart Cupping Massager modernizes traditional therapy into a compact tennis ball-sized device that combines dynamic suction with 12 adjustable intensity levels. This multifunctional tool integrates therapeutic heat up to 50 degrees Celsius, red light therapy, and vibration massage to enhance muscle recovery and blood circulation. Designed for convenience and portability, it offers a safe and flameless alternative to professional treatments, making advanced wellness accessible for home use. The XCMN portable boot dryer efficiently removes moisture using a heating element and fan that circulates air between 40 degrees Celsius and 63 degrees Celsius to protect your footwear's material. It offers incredible versatility with universal power support, operating on both 100V to 240V wall outlets and 12V car cigarette lighters for use anywhere from home to the campsite. This compact device is an essential travel companion, ensuring your boots and gloves stay dry and comfortable regardless of the weather conditions. The CansLab UltraBlade Pro is a hands-free electric can opener that utilizes a unique side-cut technology to remove lids while leaving behind a smooth, safe edge without sharp burrs. Designed for ultimate convenience, its one-touch operation allows the device to navigate the entire circumference of the can and auto-stop once the task is finished. This sleek kitchen gadget eliminates the struggle of manual opening, making it an ideal tool for seniors or anyone looking for a more efficient and hygienic food prep experience. The Drio Turbo Polyfan 707S is an advanced air circulator that utilizes millimeter wave radar technology to track your location and automatically direct airflow toward you. This smart fan features 3D oscillation with 150 degrees horizontal and 120 degrees vertical range, capable of refreshing the air in a standard room in under a minute. With turbo wind aerodynamics that reach up to 110 feet, it provides personalized cooling that responds to your distance and movement for a seamless and ultra-quiet experience. The O-Station 2 Pro by Olight revolutionizes battery management with its fully automatic charging system, allowing you to drop AA or AAA batteries into the top hopper in any orientation. The intelligent device automatically detects battery health, filters out defective units, and completes a full charge for up to 12 AA and 12 AAA batteries in roughly 2.5 hours. By eliminating the need to manually align polarities, this high-tech charger offers a seamless drop-and-go solution for keeping all your essential household electronics powered up. The EcoSelf J6 cold press juicer eliminates tedious prep work with its massive 15-centimeter extra-wide hopper, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without any pre-cutting. This innovative load-and-go machine features an automatic self-feeding system and comes with 3 specialized filters for creating clear juice, pulpy textures, or even frozen sorbets and nut milks. By utilizing cold press technology, it maximizes nutrient extraction while offering a hands-free operation that lets you walk away while it processes your healthy ingredients. The Keynote Move Plus Pro 2.0 brings clinic-grade recovery to a wearable format, utilizing a dual light system that combines 660nm red LEDs with 808nm infrared lasers. These medical-grade lasers are designed to penetrate 5 to 6 centimeters deep into joint tissue to effectively reduce inflammation and accelerate the healing of deep-seated injuries. Weighing less than half a kilo, this portable device features 3 modular pods and an adjustable strap system, making it an essential tool for athletes looking to manage chronic pain and improve mobility without expensive office visits. The Purify Hydrogen Water Pitcher utilizes advanced SPE-PEM technology to infuse 1.5 liters of water with high concentrations of molecular hydrogen in just 8 to 13 minutes. It features a unique vortex aeration system designed to stabilize the hydrogen, keeping it dissolved up to 3 times longer, while an integrated multi-stage filter effectively removes chlorine and impurities. This high-capacity pitcher offers a scientifically backed approach to hydration, focusing on antioxidant benefits and superior water purity for health-conscious households. Upgrade your daily routine with gadgets that bring both style and function into your life. Once you see these, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them.